Hey everybody, David, Poor Boy Prepper here. I want to share with you my shit hit the fan or home or mobile first aid kit. Now it's just a basic old cheap $10 toolbox I went to my local store and got. I'll show you what I got in here, guys. On my first tray here, matches. It's always a good thing to have some kind of fire starter in there, you know, just in case you never have enough matches. And empty box there. Now we do use this for I have two small kids, and we use this, and as we use it, we replace it. Yeah, it's always good to have some kind of antibiotic ointment in there. Some Benadryl, just in case you get bug bites, especially if you out in the wood and you're somewhere and bugs will eat you up, so it's good to have something like this. Purification tablets. You know, I know what you're thinking in the toolbox, your first aid kit. Hey, this stuff might save your life one day. We've got some first burn cream, just in case. Of course, eye drops to wash your eyes out. Hydrocortisone cream, same thing as Benadryl, just keeps it from itching. Little flashlight, little cheap store flashlight, as long as you might need it. You know, you're never gonna have enough. Some more antibiotic ointment, can't never have enough of that stuff. And I've got some superhero band-aids for kids, so you know, something like that when they get stressed out, it's a good thing to have. Kind of calms them down just a little bit. This right here stuff is awesome. The new skin liquid band-aids cleans and glues it up. That is something that is wonderful, I think, to have. Burns like fire, but it cleans your wound right then and there. You don't have to worry about infection. Switch hands here. And you know, you can add what you want to in here, whatever you think you might need. Like I said, this first aid kit we use here at home. If I need it, I can grab it and go. Put it in the car. Okay. Peroxide. Thousands of uses. Cleans everything from bad teeth to infections. You know, you want to keep stuff clean. Especially in a grit down situation, or really anywhere. You want to keep your cuts clean. And so they don't get infected. You know, you don't get gangrene. Something don't rot off. Something like that save you. It's cheap. $1 bottle. Now, I've got 2 bottles of just dollar aspirin. Because aspirin, you know, a lot of people don't use. Well, I guess they do, but aspirin comes in handy. It's a pain reliever. If you absolutely need it, it's there. Like I said, it's also cheap. Now, I guess you guys are asking me why I've got bandanas in here. Well, this makes an excellent tourniquet. Keep it in the plastic. It's clean. Open it up, roll it up, tie whatever you need to tourniquet, keep your bleeding to stop. There's 2 in there. I think it cost me $1. Good idea. Let's see if there's anything else in here. Well, another band-aid. Okay. Now, in this one, it's got dressings and band-aids on it. Okay, guys, now in this little box here, this is just a regular sandwich bag, and I stuffed as many latex gloves as I could in there because I wanted this to be a tight package. You know, put as much as I could in there. I didn't want to have the whole box in there, take up room. But there's probably 10 pairs of gloves in there, which you never know when you're dealing with somebody bleeding, what kind of blood diseases they have, or anything like that. That's junk. First aid butterfly closures. Now again, with that new skin, you can close it up, seal it with a new skin, put this over, keep it from coming apart. What I done is I went and bought about 5 or 10 boxes of these, and I just shoved them all in there, which has actually got a couple packs of Neosporin in there that I bought with a little kit, because little kits you get from the store just don't have much in them. You know, I don't even know why they make them, because they really don't have what you need in them. A couple band-aids, stuff like that. I mean, I guess that's great if you scrape your arm, but in a grit down situation, or even at home with small children, you know, cuts and scrapes are a thing that's gonna happen. So, but these butterfly stitches are a great thing to have. I've got packs and packs of these non-stick pads, adhesive or non-adhesive stick pads. You know, this is just, I mean, if you had to, you could cut these in half and use them twice, but this is just to keep your wounds clean. You know, if you get dirt in your cuts, it's gonna get infected. And if there's no hospitals or anything like that, it could kill you. You know, just a simple cut, like back in the 1800s, people got cuts and they died from it just because they didn't have simple stuff like this, antibiotics or antiseptics, which antibiotics are used so much that, you know, your body is built up immunities to them. This right here is just a box that I got with a little kit, but just like this one-handed. You can see it's plumb full of band-aids. Every time I buy a different brand band-aids, different sizes. I just shoved them all in there and filled that box up because you can never have enough band-aids. So if any little cut or anything like that, you keep it clean, it might save your life. These are actually gauze where I think one of us went to the dentist. But again, it's just sterile pads in a Ziploc bag. You know, you can't never have enough bandages. You know, you can just use these to clean wounds with, pull peroxide on, wipe it down, throw it away, whatnot, whatever you want to do with them. Alcohol swabs. These are a great thing to have. There's even a couple of hand cleaning wipes in here, which keeping your hands clean, especially in a grid down situation, or just, you know, relative if you're out camping in the woods. This is going to be a great thing to do just to keep the dirt off your hands, especially if you're trying to help somebody out. You don't want to put dirt in the cuts. Dollar store cold packs. This thing cost me $1 at the Dollar Tree, which I need to have a couple more put in there. But I've used a couple because, like I said, we use this and the kids, you know. But this is a great thing to have. $1, you can't beat it, you know. Another latex gloves. Just a little pack that comes with a little small one I bought. There might be 4 or 5 in there. But you can't never have enough because, like I said, you don't know what people have got. Now, these big bandages right here, you can see the size how big they are. They wouldn't fit in my box, so that's why they're sitting like that, all stacked nice and neat and dry. This is just small sterile bandages that you can use without having to use your big ones. And that's basically it, guys. Just a bunch of band-aids, sterile pads. This is where we went to the. This is actually gauze to stick in your mouth to keep any kind of bleeding. And then, like, you might have to pull a tooth out in the wilderness somewhere in a hospital. And if you don't have something to pack it with, you will bleed to death. So, you know, it's never a good thing to have but a bunch of bandages. Now, there's one thing I don't have in here, which we need to replace a bottle of rubbing alcohol and a bottle of witch hazel. And if people don't know what witch hazel is an astringent. Which if you get bit really bad by bugs, you can put that on there and it's going to kind of help soak the poison back out. And it's going to reduce your bites, your itch, and it's just going to make you feel better just using that a little bit, you know. And then we need to get some more antibiotic ointment to put in there. You know, you never have enough of that. That stuff helps out, especially with cuts. But, you know, that's it, guys. That's what I got in my first aid kit. And so I need to keep adding some more stuff to it. And, you know, but if anybody's got any comments or things I should put in there or I shouldn't have in there, please let me know. Give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. You know, tell me, guys, what you think. Now, this is the Poor Boy Prepper signing off. Y'all fellas ladies and gentlemen, have a good day. Bye-bye.